guys, this is CryptoMac and we are watching Crypto Quick series. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going to this video, please like this video and also subscribe this channel or to support this channel. So today we are going to see about two amazing projects that is on Polkadot ecosystem, and these projects are providing scaling solutions. So these are layer 2 scaling solutions, and we are going to see these projects which is on the scaling solutions on Polkadot ecosystem. So we are going to see that one, and as usual we'll be starting with market analysis, and we are going to have a look on the Bitcoin price. Then we are going to see that projects. So let's dive into this video. Okay, first of all, we can do market analysis in CoinGecko. If you see the market analysis and if you see the top 10 coins past 24 hours performance, we have Bitcoin 0.7% up. So it's slightly up from the previous week, a drop due to BitMEX arrest, and we have KuCoin hack, and we have COVID for that is Trump had COVID. Because of these things, Bitcoin dropped to 10.4k, around 10.4k. Now it is recovered a lot, and now it is back to the same position where it drops. So it is now 10.7k. Let's see how it behaves in the future, and it's 0.7% up. If for Ethereum we have no changes, 0.0%, so sideways, and XRP 0.8% up, Binance Coin minus 2.3%, so down. Bitcoin Cash 0.2%, Polkadot minus 1%, Chainlink 0.1%, Crypto.com coin 0.7%, Litecoin minus 0.5%. So if you see the top 10 coins, most of all the coins are in sideways movement. You can see 0.11, 0.20%. So there is no movement. The market is staying sideways. So they don't know. The market is not doing anything. So it's a moving sideways market. And if you see the past 24 hours performance, that is top gainers, we have Monero 7.2% up, Quant to 4.2% up, Zcash 3.9% up, Nervous Network 3.2, Solana 2.7, 2.5 NEM. So there is not much gainers, and you can see 7.4, it's small gainers. So most of them are in sideways. And if you see the top losers, we have Uniswap minus 13.8% down, Synthetics Network minus 9.2% down, and we have Ren minus 7.9%, Celsius Network minus 7.8%, Swipe minus 7.7%, Ocean Protocol minus 7.5%. So most of them are in minus 7 from 7, and you can see starting from 7, it's comparatively low in terms of percentage. So most of them are in sideways, and some of them are dropping a little bit. That's all from this market analysis. You can see most of the coins are sideways movement. So that's all for the market analysis. So overall market is going sideways, and let's see the price of Bitcoin. If we see the Bitcoin price, we have been discussing a lot about this, and we know that it broken this trend line, this triangle in daily time frame, and we have been seeing this movement from the previous 2 months. It made a $12,000 high, then it drops, then it is moving sideways. You can see the movement is in sideways, and you can see we can draw a triangle over here. So the symmetrical triangle has been formed. Let's see how it goes in terms of breaking this triangle. If it breaks above, we can expect a bullish scenario, and if it breaks down, we can expect a price up to $9,000. So this is that key area. And CME gap has not been filled yet, but that one is there. That is around $9,600. It's around here, and we have the retesting. We have the retesting of this trend line. So these are these bearish scenarios. So for the bearish scenario, it has to break this. The price has to go below $10,500. So in terms of a daily time frame, at least the daily time frame, the candle has to close below this $10,500. But you can see most of the candles dropped and then closed above this level. That is more important. That is $10,500. It's one of the important level. That is, you can see here it was acting as a resistance. Now it is acting as a support. So this yellow line is an important level, and in terms of downtrend, it has to break these levels. And in case of uptrend, it has to break this triangle, and it has to break this resistance of $11,000. Then we have a resistance at $12,000. So these are the important resistance, the recent resistance we having. And in terms of long term, it's quite bullish, still bullish, it's staying bullish. You can see here it's moving above this trend line. Still it's bullish in terms of long term. And if you see the weekly chart, we can see here this 20-week moving average. We have been discussing a lot about this 20-week moving average. So the 20-week moving average is acting as a huge support, guys. That is more important in terms of bull run. That is bull cycle. Usually the previous cycle, you can see here, for example, wait a minute. So you can see here this 20-week moving average is acting as a support from this level itself. You can see from $300 before, during the bull run, you can see it was acting as a huge support, guys. That is more important in terms of bull run, and here you can see it was acting as a huge resistance. So the 20-week moving average is very much important, guys. See, during their downward trend, once this downward trend broke by moving above this 20-week moving average, see the upward trend has been started. So this is how it works. The 20-week moving average is crucial in terms of acting as a support and resistance. You can see here after breaking this level, the price is staying above this 20-week moving average, and you can see all the weekly candles are getting pulled back after touching this level. So 20-week moving average. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Around 5 weeks, it has been closed above this 20-week moving average. So that is more important. And that's all, guys. This is in terms of a price analysis. So in long term, it's quite bullish. Bitcoin is bullish. But let's see how the elections and COVID reasons how it will play in the future, because there are some countries the second wave is starting. So let's see how it will behave because of these fundamentals. And we have election is there, so lots of uncertainties are there. So let's see how it works. And now let's go to this Polka project, and we are going to see the two important projects from scaling niche. So this is the PolkaProject.com, and we are going to see the scaling niche. We have Celer network and we have Plasm network. So Celer network, you can see most advanced layer 2 scaling platform, substrate based, so it is also substrate based. But Plasm is live on Polkadot. Celer network is built before the Polkadot. Actually, it was first built on Ethereum. Actually, it has a ERC20 token, and Celer network has ERC20 token. You can see here, it's an on Etherscan. So it is quite a long term project. It's quite an old project, Celer network. Now it is coming into Polkadot ecosystem, but Plasm is created directly on Polkadot ecosystem. Let's see how it works. First, Celer network. If you see the price, if you see the long term price, so it had a small pump during the previous month. During August, it has a pump, and you can see the price of from March 2019 dropped, again pumped, dropped, and it was staying around $0.003. Then it went up to $0.01. Then we had a drop. So after this we have a drop. So it is now minus 84.1% from all-time high. So that is more important, and it's a quite good project in terms of providing scaling solutions, because nowadays the layer 2 solutions are very much important. And for Ethereum, we know that in Ethereum we have huge congestion because of the scaling problem. But here we have a Celer network. This is also providing a layer 2 solution. And you can see these are the exchanges. It is listed Binance. It has been listed on Binance. So several exchanges are there, good exchanges. And now let's see what they are doing. So this is all about the price. It is minus 84.1% down from the all-time high. And in terms of the market cap, it is, you can see the rank 275. So it's quite small in terms of market cap. Let's see how it works. So Celer network, the most advanced layer 2 scaling platform. So it's providing the layer 2 scaling solutions, bringing interactive, secure, low cost application to every blockchain. They have several applications, and they are also having use cases in gaming also. You can see blockchain will be there. The Celer network will be acting as a layer 2 solution for providing scaling, for providing scaling. And we have the apps. So what is Celer? Celer network is a leading layer 2 scaling platform that enables fast, easy, and secure off-chain transactions for not only payment transaction but also recognized off-chain smart contract. So it is not only for payment transaction, but also for off-chain smart contract. You can see here it is They can do secure off-chain transactions, not only for payment, but also they can do for off-chain smart contract. It enables everyone to quickly build, operate, and use the highly scalable decentralized application through innovation in off-chain scaling techniques and incentive-aligned crypto economics. So anyone can easily build the apps over this through this one in off-chain scaling techniques, using the off-chain scaling techniques. And if you see the advantages, we have fast and interactive, that is 20,000x reduction on transaction latency. It's huge. And we have low cost, zero transaction fees for off-chain smart contracts. The transaction fees is zero for doing off-chain smart contracts, and novel crypto economics solve liquidity, availability, and connectivity challenges. They are also having use cases in Celer X game, that is Celer X game monetization engine. They are also having use cases in gaming. They are providing you can monetize your games via real money tournaments with 2 lines of code. So it is like a simple way of implementing these things, and you can see monetize your game via real money tournaments with just 2 lines of code. You can create that one. We have Celer SDK, open platform, so easy to build, interactive blockchain gaming, micropayment services, layer 2 DeFi protocols. So this is Celer SDK. You can able to build. It's an open platform. You can able to build and using these things, and you can see interactive blockchain gaming, micropayment services you can be able to build, layer 2 DeFi protocols also you can able to build. And if you see the technical partners, they have Polkadot also there. We know that Polkadot is one of the technical partners. They have Quantum, Elf, Quarkchain, Anchor, Chainlink, MakerDAO. So these are the things. These are the technical partners. So that's about this project. They are providing a layer 2 scaling platform. So nowadays the layer 2 scaling platform has greater. It has the necessity because of the congestions. We need the layer 2 solutions. We know that XDAI is also providing layer 2 solutions. So this is more important. And in terms of the next project, that is Plasm network. It is fully built on Polkadot ecosystem. So you can see Plasm network as a scaling DApp platform on Substrate. So Plasm network is a scaling DApps platform on Substrate. And it also comes under smart contract platform in terms of the categories in PolkaProject. Now we are going to see it in the scaling niche. If you see, public blockchains are full, but we can fix that. Ever since the blockchain technology was released to the public, people from different backgrounds came together to create something magnificent, something that can change the structure of information as we know it. That is the Web3 revolution. However, existing blockchains are not just scalable enough. This is more important. So the existing blockchains are not scalable enough to make this dream into a reality. So people deserve something better. So Plasm network works because we have. So these are the advantages of Plasm network, and we have a disadvantage because we don't know the community. Community in the sense we don't know the team behind Plasm network. That is one of the thing. But because these are built by new developers, these are built by the developer community. So Plasm network, we don't know the team behind this Plasm network. It's anonymous, but it's built by the developers, and you can see because developer community. So it is more important. And in terms of Celer network, if you see the team there, it is available. It's about us. You can see this. These are the co-founders, advisors, strategic partners, and you can see partners. We forgot to see that. And in terms of partners, we have known names like FBG Capital is there, and we have Arrington XRP Capital is there, and one more Fenbushi Capital. So in terms of partners, strategic partners, we know most of the guys who are the big guys in these industries, and we have these capitals are there. So it's a good project. If you see in the Plasm network, and let's see if you see the advantages of Plasm network, it is providing a layer 2 solution. You can see Plasm network is about enabling layer 2 technology on the top of Polkadot network. So it is providing layer 2 on the top of Polkadot network. And next is fast transaction. By leveraging the transaction to the child chain, Plasm network is able to handle fast and high capacity transaction. So what it will do is it will do the transaction in the side chain, that is usually called child chain, and by leveraging the transaction to child chain, they can achieve the fast capacity transaction, fast and high capacity transaction. Optimistic virtual machine. Plasm network implements OVM so that any dApps can run under a unified environment with minimum issues. So they have OVM, that is optimistic virtual machines. Because of that, any dApps can run on an unified environment with less issues. That is more important. And it is built on Substrate, guys. So Substrate framework, we have discussed a lot about that one, Substrate framework. If you want to know about substrate framework, I will attach that video in this video's comment section. You can have a look on it. I will attach the link of that video in the description. So you can see Plasm network is built with a substrate, a forkless scalable blockchain. So we know that substrate framework we can upgrade using without a hard fork. So it's a forkless scalable blockchain framework that uses WebAssembly, Plasm, and we have parachain. So Plasm network can be a Polkadot parachain. So can be a means it has to get the parachain slot. That is more important. So that they have been mentioned this like this. You can see Plasm network can be a Polkadot parachain that provides interoperability with the other blockchains who are either a parachain themselves or via bridge. So we know we have discussed about the Polkadot, we have a parachain, we have a bridge, so lots of things are there. So we know that if Plasm network is able to achieve a parachain slot, they can be able to provide interoperability with other blockchains also. For example, we have Ethereum and other things with either with the parachain themselves. So there are different parachains will be there, so they can able to interoperate with different parachains and also to other blockchains through bridges. It's open source. You can see Plasm ecosystem is open source. We encourage everyone to look in and join the future. So this is all about the things. So they also have PLM tokens, but it is not listed yet. PLM tokens gives everyone the power to utilize the Plasm network, and it is not listed yet. Now it is not listed on any exchanges, or it is also it is not listed on Uniswap. So what is the function of PLM tokens? The PLM tokens functions are, that is the main use case is the value. First one, PLM is the main exchange medium that represents the value in the network. So it is the main exchange medium in the network. Operators, good actors are rewarded by mechanism, whilst bad actors will lose their stake in the network. It's similar to the Polkadot. And decentralization, having a well-distributed wealth among the community ensures decentralization. D-app rewards. So PLM provides incentive to developers, creating great D-apps with most nominators by splitting the block validation rewards. Though D-app rewards will be there, and multi-lock drop. PLM is distributed via multi-lock drop, which is a modified lock drop popularized by Edgeware. So this lock drop concept has been brought up by Edgeware project, and they are Plasm network also using the lock drop. So if you see what is lock drop, before going to see the lock drop, let's summarize this one. So there can be a medium of exchange in the network, and operators who will get good actors will get these PLM tokens, and for decentralization, D-app rewards and multiple lock drop. So these are the things, and so how can we help us? These are the normal things you can do, and this is the team they are working with. Web3 Foundation grant program, so Crypto Economics Lab, Long Hash. We have Akala Network. It's one of the DeFi project. We can see it later. So Akala Network. So if you see, these are the timeline, and these are the timeline you can see here. Launch Plasm Network, minimum testnet, Q3. So start mainnet lock drop 2020 Q1. Launch Plasm Network mainnet has been launched. Becomes a parachain. Being a parachain for the Polkadot network allows to provide more value to the users in the crypto space. That is 2020 Q3. Completed Plasm network. All the features described in the white paper are available, and all the lock drops have been terminated with the real-time lock drop. The network is controlled autonomously and centralized. Also parachain connected to Polkadot. Also parachained and connected to Polkadot. So I think Plasm networks have attained the parachain slot. Yeah, because now it is live on Polkadot ecosystem. You can have a look on that one. This is what the lock drop looks like, and this is how you will get PLM tokens. You have to lock ETH. So if you lock ETH in this lock drops, you will be getting you can say for specified period of time. You can choose the duration, and you will be getting PLM tokens. But unfortunately, that lock drop has been you can see the lock drop has been closed, because now it is a climbing period, so no need to connect this one. Actually, it has been closed. Both first lock drop and second lock drop has been closed. And if you see the lock drop calculator, how it, if you, for example, if you are locking 1 ETH, and if you are locking for 30 days, okay, if you are locking for 30 days, what you will be getting is your return is estimated to be 3,786 PLM tokens. So this is how it works. That is for 30 days. If you are locking 1 ETH, you will be getting this much PLM tokens. This is what a lock drop is, and you can see if you see Plasm network, it is live, guys. You can see this is a Polkadot Polkadot main page, and you can see it is live on live network. This is live on Polkadot. That is more important, guys. So Plasm network is live. So you can see the blocks are created. These are the blocks that has been created, and you can see the last block created, time, target, and everything is there. So it is now live on Polkadot. That is more important. Plasm network. So which shows they have got the parachain slot. They have parachain and connected to the Polkadot. So that's all about this one, and have a look on these two projects, because these are more important in terms of providing scaling solutions, and these are acting as one of the small contract platforms. And have a look on this, keep them in the radar. And you can Celer network you can buy from different exchanges, but in terms of it's in Uniswap also, but in terms of Plasm network, I think you have to wait for, you can see the lock drop has ended. So a second lock drop has been entered, so you have to wait for the token to be listed on exchanges. So this is all about the thing, but it's a highly valuable project, highly needed project. So Plasm network. And that's all for this video. We have seen two scaling solutions which is working on Polkadot ecosystem. In the next video, upcoming videos, we'll be seeing different niche from Polkadot projects. So hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button, guys, and also subscribe this channel, because I need your support, guys. Please support this channel by subscribing this channel. That is more important. It will be very much appreciable, and it will be very much it will be a boost for me to provide different contents from crypto market. So please subscribe this channel. And that's all for this video. I will see you guys in another video of crypto with Crypto Clicks. Until then, signing off, Crypto Max. See you guys.